Today you're going to work on editing your personal narrative. So we're going to review the rubric so that you can make sure as you're publishing that you've included all of the important things that we need to have in our personal narratives. So the first thing you'll want to make sure is that your personal narrative is about a small moment in time. You want to make sure that you wrote a lead that is interesting and that grabs the reader's attention. You want to make sure your personal narrative is divided into paragraphs that show when time has passed, there's different topics or different characters spoke. You want to make sure that you included a sufficient amount of transitions as you move throughout your paper. We also wanted to make sure that there was use of dialogue and that the dialogue shows what characters said and that it is punctuated correctly. Also, that you use lots of details that helped a reader be able to visualize your story. You used words that showed what was happening rather than just telling. Um, the writer used strong and interesting words throughout their paper. Make sure that you wrote an interesting ending for your story and that you used the spelling resources and tools available to you to make sure that you only have grade appropriate errors and that you don't have other spelling errors throughout your paper. And also that you use correct punctuation throughout your paper. So just make sure as you are publishing that you are referring back to the rubric to make sure that your paper is the best that it can be.